I so want to say hello and welcome to my YouTube page, but I don't want to sound cringe. But hi, welcome to another vlog.
Hi.
So we are going out to rate the food of the most overhyped place of 2025. No points for guessing. It's Pomodoro. So I actually wanted to go last week to my mom's birthday, but then I left around 1 o'clock, and the restaurant closes by 3:30 or something, and I didn't get the chance to get in because they said they are overbooked for the morning time. So now we're going this weekend to rate that restaurant. I honestly think it's very, very overhyped. And I've seen so many influencers talking about that restaurant. The food is average. The tiramisu is awesome. I'm going for that specifically. But I think it's also the place. I think the whole marketing that they're doing is based on the open kitchen not being available on Zomato. It's because you have a small space. Okay, कमा लिया तुमने. Please make a bigger space so that people don't have to wait in line for 1.5 hours. Now, I'm really not sure how long do we have to wait because it's 12. It's about to be 12 right now.
पोमो ना काय
पोमोदोरो 15 मिनिटं अशी गेलेली आहेत तिकीट काढण्यात आणि शोधण्यात की which is the nearest station. But we've decided to go BKC, and let's see, it's showing like 19 minutes via a drive there. So rickshaw is our only option, hoping they'll know how to get there sooner. Rickshaw मिल गई है finally, and it says 20 minutes to get there. And the last time, I mean the last weekend when I called them by this time, they were already like, they didn't have the tables anymore. They were booked out for the whole afternoon or the first half of their opening. I'm hoping we get a table. We're matching people. See, let me tell you something, okay? I truly consider myself a South Bombay townie, okay? But I will not consider Bandra to be fucking townie because what is this traffic? What is this traffic? एक तो तुम्हारे पास ईस्ट वेस्ट, उसमें भी तुम्हारे पास 16th रोड, 18th रोड, 19th रोड, और जितने टपरी नहीं उससे ज्यादा तो तुम्हारे पास कैफे. Why? I mean, you can chill, okay? Please chill. Like, if you see us, हमारा डॉकयार्ड है, हमारा मजगांव है, हमारा फोर्ट है, CST, देन हमारा कफ परेड, कुलाबा, गेटवे, कितना इजी है. इट्स लाइक there's just one way. There is no east west. You can get down from anywhere and reach at any point. There are a lot of entry points, there are a lot of exit points, everything is close to you. Okay, there's not hell lot of traffic. थोड़ा बहुत तो हो ही जाता है workdays पे. It's either the cars, it's either the people, it's either these cafes. It's always a fucking traffic zone. I mean, be better, please be better. Is she gonna come out or what?
I guess she should.
Supposed to.
भाई 1 घंटे के ऊपर हो गया है, अभी हमारा एस्टिमेटेड टाइम से ज्यादा हो गया.
It's a cramped up space. People are here with their bags and fucking luggages to cramp it up more. Hi, I need a table for two.
Waiting is quite long, about an hour and a half.
I'm okay with that.
I'll just take down the stairs.
And just tell me an exact time. I'll come back in that
Give you a
particular.
call 10 minutes prior.
Okay.
As soon as we get a chance to make you sit, just try to be around to hold the table up.
Okay, sure.
Hi, Shrey, calling from Pomodoro. What's your name?
Apurva.
Two of you.
Yes. APURVA. Oh, that's okay. Doesn't matter.
Contact number?
8169.
Yeah. Prior 10 minutes.
Okay.
Thank
Just
you.
try if you. Any table is fine. Just try. Okay. Thanks. What is the approximate time you're giving?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Okay, thanks. It's 1.5 hours for us at 1 o'clock. And there are like 6 people, a group of 6 people walking in a cramped up space with their luggages. It's a cramped up space. What is wrong with people? And some civil sense maybe? Please, if you may.
Like strawberry and the
cheese is comes on side is crispy bread.
So is it the usual thing that we... Yeah, I'll take these two first. I'll take that pasta and I'll take your red white cream. Yeah, I'll take that one then. आपण खाल्लं असं नाही की पहिला ट्राय नाही केलं. Average 5.5 just. Okay, so we've left, going back home. Overall, I'm going to say the food was a little above average. Nothing that you're going to have to wait for 2 hours. Not that special that you'll wait for 2 hours. It was okay. I think we can rate it a good 7.5 out of 10. I can do that. But I mean, I don't think, see, on an average, if this was a bigger restaurant with bigger space and you didn't have to wait for like an hour and a half or two to get inside, especially with a closing time where they stop taking tables after a particular time, and they just tell you that whether if the tables get cancelled, that is when they'll take you in. So if that is the case, it's an average restaurant. It's a good 7.5. It's great if you want to experience it once at least. Since so many people are talking about it, you can do it once. Like not more than once. There are a lot of spaces in this, especially in Bandra, Mumbai, anywhere. There are a lot of spaces where you'll get better Italian food. The tiramisu, when people were talking about it so much, I felt like, oh, I think it was out of the world, but it was not. It was actually not out of the world. It's something I've had before. It's very predictable. And yeah, I mean, try it out once, but once is fine. I mean, it's not worth waiting for 1.5 hours 2 times in this lifetime. That's about it, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye.